Alright, so now we are at our third chapter in the mathematics syllabus called measurements. Measurements can get really nasty. Alright, so we'll start by covering the basics. Let us begin. The first question we have is find the perimeter of this three-sided diagram. It's a triangle, of course, and one side is 5 centimeters, one side is 10, and one side is 9. To find the perimeter, all we do is add all the sides. So we're going to add 9 centimeters to 10 centimeters to 5 centimeters, and we have, 24 centimeters. All right, that's pretty easy. Let us move on. We have a square, no, not a square, a four-sided diagram now. All right, and with these four-sided diagram, it can be either a square or a rectangle. One thing we know is that the opposite side are always equal. So because this is 6 here, even though we don't see a 6 here, we can infer it, because it's a four-sided diagram and it has 4 right angles. These little square boxes means right angles. Alright, so because there's 4 sides, it's either a rectangle or a square. So because we know that a square has all equal sides, the fact that this is 7 centimeters and this is 6 tells us that it's a rectangle. So now we know that opposite side must be equal. So 6 here, 6 here, 7 here, 7 here. Okay? 7, 7, 6, 6. Now find the perimeter. The perimeter is 14, 7 plus 7, plus 12, which is 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters is equal to 14 centimeters. No, that's 14. I'm so sorry. 26. (26) 26 centimeters. All right. Good. Let us continue. And here we have another diagram, which is a right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle. This one wasn't a right angle triangle. It was just a triangle. Now we have this right here, which is a right angle triangle, because the square right here tells us that the angle right here is 90 degrees, which makes it a right angle triangle. When you see these two strokes, what they mean is these two sides are equal. Alright, so because this stroke is here, this stroke is here, we know that this side has to be 6 centimeters as well. Okay, that's what the stroke mean. When you see strokes, sides are equal. Now to find the perimeter, we simply add 22 centimeters. All right, and that's as easy as it gets. It doesn't get much easier than that. Now we're gonna continue. All right, so now we have something like an L. It's not drawn to scale, of course, but I had these boxes in the corner to represent the right angles. All right. The first question they ask is, what is A? Let us figure out what is A. So A is here. This is the length of A. All right. And we know that the length from here to here is 5. The length from here to here is 5 centimeters. And the length from here to here is 2 centimeters. Alright, so because from here to here plus from here to here makes up the entire length of A, we know that A is equal to 2 plus 5. Alright, because the length of A is from here to here, and this plus this is equal to the length of A. So therefore A is equal to 2 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, which is 7 centimeters. Similarly for B is all of this length right here. So to find B, we need to add here the length of this side plus the length of this side, which is going to be, B is going to be 4 centimeters plus 1 centimeter, which is 5 centimeters. Great. And now we go ahead and find the actual perimeter of the diagram, which is going to be B, which is 5 centimeter plus A, which is 7 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, which is equal to 24 centimeters here when we add BA 1542. Alright, let's move on. Here we have another polygon, an indefinite one, or a irregular polygon. Alright, so now we have 4 centimeters here, 2 centimeters here, 4 centimeters D, 1 centimeter here, C, the length of this right here is C, and 2 centimeters here. So the first thing we're going to do is find C. Find C. Then we find D, or D. Alright, so as you can see, C is the length of this, and I apologize for the poor graphics. So C is this right here. The length of this right here is C. Alright, C. The length of here is 4. So we know that this right here and this up here are equal. So we know that C equal 4 centimeters. Similarly for D, this is D and this is 2 because they're opposite sides. Alright, we can say D is equal to 2 centimeters. Alright, and now we add all the sides. So we're going to have 4 here, 4 here, 2 here, 2 here. Oh, we have 1 here, but they didn't tell us what was here. Because this is 2, this is 1, and all of this is 4, we know that this has to be 1, because this plus this has to equal 4. So because we already have 2 and 1, this has to be 1, because the entire length from here to here must be equal to 4, like over here. So here is 1 as well. So now we're going to add all the sides to get a perimeter. Alright, so we're going to say 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus another 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter and another 2 and another 4. Alright, so this is the total perimeter. So we have 4, 6, 7, 8, 12, 14, 16, 20. So we have 20 centimeters, and that's that. Alright, it may not be as clear as we like because of how poorly I drew the diagram, but what I want you to understand is that when we're doing perimeter, we add all the sides, and sometimes some sides will be missing, like here, and we have to use information that we are given to find the missing information. It's really just by looking at the diagram. Alright, just by looking at the diagram, here and here are equal, and here are equal. This and this is equal as well. All right, good. And here we have this tedious looking one. A bit tedious, right? So now we're going to find E. Find E. So as we can see, E is the entire length from here to here. From here to here. E is here. So this plus this will be equal to the length of E. So E is equal to 4 plus 6, right? Because it's all of this right here. So E is equal to 4 centimeters plus 6 centimeters equal 10 centimeters. Alright, and that's E. So E is equal to 10 centimeters. Now let's find the perimeter. So we have 6 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. Alright, so this is 6, 2, 6, 10, 10, 4, 4, 6. Alright, good. Now we're going to add these and we're going to get 6, 8, 14, 24, 34, 38, 42, 48. So 48 centimeters. Alright, and that is some basic perimeter examples. Stay tuned for more. We have a lot more coming. That's J2T.